In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plot or graph a formula in Microsoft Excel. We'll start from a blank worksheet and end with a clear, professional scatter chart that represents your data or formula accurately. First, open your Excel sheet so you're ready to work. To make Excel plot your values correctly, arrange your data in two adjacent columns. The left column will hold the X values, and the right column will hold the corresponding Y values. This left to right layout tells Excel which numbers belong on the horizontal axis and which belong on the vertical axis. Give each column a short descriptive header, such as X and Y, or something meaningful to your scenario. Keep the numeric cells clean. Don't type units like cm or seconds in those cells. Place units in the headers instead. If you're graphing a formula, type your X values down the left column, then create a formula in the right column that references each X value, and fill it down. That way, the Y column is calculated directly from the formula you want to visualize. When your columns look good, click and drag to select the entire range, including the headers. With the data highlighted, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Charts group, choose the Scatter Chart icon. For most situations, pick the basic scatter with only markers. If you prefer connected points, select Scatter with smooth lines. Excel will insert the chart using the left column for X and the right column for Y. To make the chart easier to read, click the plus icon that appears at the top right of the chart. Turn on Chart Title and Axis Titles, then click each placeholder to type clear labels. Put units in these titles if that helps the viewer interpret the scale. If you want to show the overall relationship in your data, right-click any data point and choose Add Trend Line. This overlays a best fit curve or line, which can highlight patterns your eyes might miss. Finally, with the chart selected, use the Chart Design and Format tabs to tailor the look and the scale. You can switch styles and colors for clarity, and if needed, adjust the axis bounds or tick spacing so your data occupies the chart area well. That's it. With clean columns, a scatter chart, informative titles, and optional trend lines, you've turned raw numbers or a formula into an understandable visual.